Look like unmarked police cutting about in this. Hi guys, what's up? Today I join you in my courtesy car, which is a Hyundai i30 Fastback, a slowback as I've aptly called it. Saying that, I'm not actually minding it at all. It's actually quite a comfortable car, really smooth. It's been a while since I've driven something that's not that sporty, so it's nice to be able to cruise along and not worry about speed bumps and all that kind of thing. I apologise for the light as well. It's fading fast. It's about 4 p.m. So the Cupra isn't with me at the moment. It's actually with a Seat dealership because of a ongoing alignment and steering issue that I've had since I've had the car. I've had the car a couple of months now, and ever since I've had it, the steering wheel hasn't been quite straight, and it's been really vague on centre as the speed has picked up. It's got speed sensitive electric power steering, and as you go faster, it gets more and more loose and wobbly in the middle. And I've been told that the rear alignment is most likely out from factory, which is apparently common on these newer Volkswagen Audi Group cars. So I'm getting it looked at. It's been a bit of a back and forth. I've not had an awful lot of luck from Seat themselves, but there has been some helpful people that have spoken to me, and hopefully they're looking into it now. The dealership's been really good so far. So hopefully it will come back to me better than it is anyway. I've been told that definitely it's a characteristic of the car, and I am aware that this kind of loose centre feel is a characteristic of electric steering, especially on these hot hatches from Volkswagen Audi Group, but I've definitely not experienced it like this. I had the Cupra 300, as you well know from my videos on that, and I've not really ever had a problem to the point where I was a bit concerned while driving on the motorway, whereas this one has been dodgy to say the least. So hopefully this gets it all sorted out. But for now, yeah, I'm in the i30 Fastback, so here we are. It's actually not too bad at all, this thing. I don't like the fact that it bongs at everything, but I do like these nice simple dials. I really love the needle and the white. You do kind of miss analog dials once you've been driving a car with virtual cockpit for a while. And the interior itself isn't too bad. I feel like this navigation system is really angled away from the driver. It's a bit of a bizarre positioning, especially compared to the Leon, because that's kind of angled towards you. But yeah, it's okay. It's a nice place to be. Only 140 horsepower in this one, so nothing exciting. But yeah, I'm stuck with this for about a week. But kind of enjoying having a comfy car, and yeah, kind of want to get a bit of a comfy project car on the go, if I'm honest. Hopefully something can be done about that soon when I get a bit more cash flow my way. So I just wanted to do this little kind of update video, really. Nothing interesting content-wise in this particular video, so if you come here just for the cars, then sorry. But I just wanted to tell you about something that I've been working on in the background as well, and that is a new clothing company. This isn't to do with merch for my channel or anything like that. This is actually a kind of more serious topic than that, and that is mental health, and something that I've kind of struggled with over the years, and a lot of my friends have had some bad situations recently as well. And with this whole lockdown situation in the UK, I think really now is the time to really think about these things. It's something that is affecting a lot more people than usual, so it's something that is definitely worth talking about. So of course, mental health statistics are pretty crazy at the moment. Depression, suicide, all that kind of thing, it's all on the rise, and especially within men as well. There's definitely social stigma around men's mental health, and I know a lot of you guys that are watching, in fact the majority of you guys that are watching, are going to be males in a quite young age range, judging by the statistics on YouTube and the demographics and things like that. And these are people who are affected the most by these things in some cases. So it's something that I really don't want you guys to think is something to laugh about or something to joke about. I understand that you've got to make light of bad situations, but there are people struggling out there, and there's a big social stigma around men's mental health, particularly. You know, the amount of times that you would have been told over the years to man up or get on with it when you're genuinely feeling something about something. So it's definitely important to keep that in mind. And my new brand, MENQUIRIES, aims to deal with that in a very bold and effective way. It's just a social statement, really. So the designs I've created for this business are very kind of out there, and something you'd have to be kind of brave almost to wear, but that shows that there's a problem, right? So not only is this brand intended to raise awareness of mental health and men's mental health as well, but also it's to generate some income for those streams. So 12% of all of the profits that I make will be going to mental health charities. I'll have more details on the website when we officially launch. For now, we're having a few issues with supplies, obviously because of COVID and that kind of thing. It is a bit slow progress at the moment, so I'm kind of not launching in as quick as I would like to, and I've not got any physical samples to show you today, but I can show you the designs. So you've got the original MENQUIRIES logo, which goes on both a t-shirt and also a hoodie, and it's just something really bold. It's a bold statement, and it's kind of made to show that It's okay to be upset, especially as a male. It's made to show support for people who are going through a tough time. Then we've also got an original tee, which is just a really bold design. Again, something really big and memorable, just something to make a statement, which is kind of the point of the brand, really. It's designed to be a bit out there. And I really like how simple this one is. I think it's really effective in conveying a message. And of course, being a unisex brand with a bigger message than just men's mental health, I wanted to include some more unisex designs as well. So this one here is the Talk to Me tee. So it says, talk to me, talking helps. And it's kind of designed as a way of showing that you are the sort of person who is approachable and that people can talk to about issues. I'm going to put these lights on because the light is really fading that quick. You've seen it go from day to night while I've been rambling. So yeah, it's just a bit of a hint of things to come. I just wanted to do something kind of a little bit good for the world. And I really hope that this brand can kind of raise awareness for some of the more serious issues that are going on. So there'll be plenty more on that when I get actual samples and start shipping orders and that kind of thing. It's all kind of early stages at the moment. It's early days, I know, but the concepts are there, the designs are there, the website's there. It's all kind of ready to go, just waiting on suppliers because of the COVID situation. That's as simple as it is, really. So hopefully I'll have some more news to share on that very shortly with you guys, and I appreciate the support. You can catch that on Instagram as well, at mencry_clothing. I haven't posted anything there yet, but I will do in due course. So back to cars then. I've got a video coming up on the Saab. I've got some problems with it at the moment. I'm trying to get it ready for sale. It's been sitting there a while. It's just in a bit of a bad way, so I need to get it back up and running. And of course, things are really difficult with lockdown restrictions at the moment. I was hoping to film some videos with Joe on his car, and I've got a few pretty decent cars lined up to check out as well. Hoping to do a comparison very soon with an Audi S3 Saloon, which is modified as well, which is really nice. So you'll just have to bear with me for the moment while I work with the restrictions, unfortunately, but we're getting there, we're working on it, and I really appreciate your support. We're nearly at 2,000 subs now, which I know isn't a vast amount, but slowly approaching 1 million overall video views, which is astounding to me. This is something I just started as a hobby. I'd love to do it full time someday. Hopefully do a bit of a Q&A coming up as well soon. I've had loads and loads of messages in my Instagram DMs and on YouTube about different things to do with leasing and the ownership of the Cupra and various other things as well. So if you do have any questions for me at all, anything you like, pop it in the comments down below or DM me on Instagram. I'll try my best to get back to every one of you. So thank you so much for watching this little catch up of what's going on with me at the moment. I appreciate you just want to see some cars, hopefully very soon. All right. So thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.